Okay, so what I've learned about these factory-made moccasins, originally $125. They were on sale for $79. Man, I wish I could sell my stuff for that low. Oh. But so let's see how. Now I need a real sharp. Let's see if I can cut these in half. Okay, so that took me less than 10 minutes to take apart. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see what this shoe consists of. So it looks like we have some memory foam material. And this looks like see what it says on the label. It says that insole 100% polyester. So this was the insole. So is this polyester? But what is this? Is this polyester? What's a plastic? Okay, so we know that. So basically the insole is this material here and this on top of it. So then it would look like it's like a leather insole, but it's not. Here. Okay, so you have that. Oh, look at this. Oh, I see what they do. This is in the cuff. So nice thing about sewing on sewing machines, which I also do on cuffs, does give it a nice finished look. But I also like when it's hand stitched, because I also like the hand stitched look as well. So it appears to me that this whole heel piece is one piece, and then they just flip down, but they add this foam material, which I don't know why they would. I mean, I know why. It's a cheap way to stiffen something up. Okay, sure. And now there's this material. Aha. Wow. Okay, so according to this tag, it says genuine leather upper. Okay, so I think That's just a fancy way of saying shit leather. Thin shit leather that's compromised. Compromised leather. Okay, so I use this paper-like material. Oh, and they also, this is very interesting. That was interesting, taking apart something. So the hardest part is pulling this sole away too from the leather and pulling this stuff. This, I wonder how long this shit would take to biodegrade. So I use this genuine leather, but it's about maybe 1, 2, 3 ounces. They sandwich it in. I'm not sure what this material is, to be frank. It almost looks like a bandage material. I'm not sure. I'd have to ask my seamstress friend what she think it is. And I don't know what this is either. I guess I don't really have to post or list exactly all the materials. I get it, fine. So that is what you're buying. Let's kind of check out how easy this leather is to cut into. I just want to see. Okay, it's easily rippable, but I won't. Oh, and then there's this material here. This is also probably to stiffen up the toe box area. So there you have it, friends. This is the look inside of a originally $125 on sale for $79. And then here is what it looks like on the inside. And I guess let me give you an example of, so our thinnest leather on our moccasins here, and I'll just show you the difference. You see that? Huh. And we usually use this vegetable tan bison for mock chains to kind of make a lighter weight. But even the weight on this is so light. There's like nothing to them. Very minimalist. You're not, I guess, you know, if you want minimalist shoes, you get that much material to walk on the ground. Look at this. They say that it's, but I work with all types of rubber soling material too. My main source is from Vibram. And so it has me thinking. So if this, just from a business standpoint, and I gotta keep in mind that these are being manufactured in a factory. So I'm sure they're able to make, and I can't even, maybe hundreds in like an hour. And I'm sure there's like a machine that cuts out the pattern. I'm sure there's an assembly line, and I'm sure these are being hand stitched by on a machine. I mean, not hand stitched, but maybe they're being pressed. The sole's being pressed on, and a human is taking the sole, their hands in the machine around. That's my assumption. I've never been to a shoe factory. I think this is like good for me to see, and for you all to see. You know, and who knows? Like the caller said, if you're just sitting in the office and you're only wearing these occasionally, these might last you years. But if you're like wearing them every day outside, if you're an active person, you maybe get 6 months out of it. So it's like this. So let's say you paid $125 and you have to, and you wear them every day for 6 months, and you wear them out. You have to buy another pair. So then that's $150. And then next year you have to buy another pair. So I guess, you know, like I can understand why people wanted to buy new shoes every 6 months and just buy a new pair, you know, and whether they donate it or if they're still wearable, or these are ended up in a landfill. So it's like, does this protect the environment for the next generations when we consume mass-produced products that are maybe visually look perfect, but overall quality and how long? Oh, let's see, it got dirty. Let's see how easy it is. Oh, I guess another thing is, how do they with water? Okay, let's see here. I'm going to drop of water. See how long that takes to absorb. Let's see if we can get that spot out. See if it is, maybe it's kind of like a, so maybe I should do a time lapse for this.